Yeah, we have a problem about font leader, and we have slow solution, and we have faster a little bit solution. It's time complexity square, as you see, because we have this cycle inside of this cycle or one more cycle. And also in more faster solution is about mm, it's when we first of all sort, and we see that in the middle of this array we have our candidate, the best candidate, because after sorting always our best candidate will be in the middle of our array. And also, as we see, we have this because of sort, it's like logarithm, and yeah, but we have more fast decision. Let's faster. Okay, Kadil say about this. How about gold? Gold solution. Yeah, and my idea helped me. It's not cleaned code. Okay, and what we can do as before, we made to say about n. It will be our len of our array, and also it will be useful for us our half. It will be n div2. Okay, and we will be go with like stake that, yes, and we have this size of our stack. Yeah, it's we talk about stack. Yeah, and we go for our items in our array, and trying to find our candidates such a way. Okay, we ask if our size equal 0. Yeah, how it's in first time. In this moment, what we do, we say that size will be increment. Yeah, and also we may talk about, we have some value what will be equal our item. Okay, yeah. In other case, when our size not equal 0, we say we ask other scenario. Okay, we ask about our current value. So current or last or current. Okay. We have all this value in the top of our array, and we ask if this value not equal our this item, what we now looking for, how it will, for example, in second time, first hour is 6, but second is when we have this in our value, we ask it's same or not. It's not same. Our e now it's equal 8, it's not equal 6. In such a case, we say just that our size, we decrement this one, size, we say like this. Yeah, and in other moment when we have the 6 and then again 6, we also say we say we increment our size. We have we have two of them, two of our okay, plus one, yeah, okay, and we have it looks like we have all this value 1, current value, size, sorry, like this. Okay, we're going across this moment, and suppose our candidate will be equal -1. Candidate will be equal -1, and we ask if our size still it's okay, more than 0, it means that our candidate will be our value. Yeah, our candidate is our value. Our value, it's not like deleted but something different, and then because we say that it's value. Yeah, but for example, we have 6, and in this moment it's different, and because it's our size becoming our size becoming equal 0, and then we say that in such a way our value become 4, and 4 not equal 5, and that because it's a goodbye. And yeah, candidate -1. Okay, if size more than 0, we have value. We have a candidate, but leader still will be equal -1. And must to ask, we have a candidate, we have a good one candidate, and we trying to ask about a leader candidate. More than I think okay, and we do what we make it before. Count just says that count will be equal 0, and going across our it's also like this, yeah, and if our element is candidate, we just make it increment of our count. Yeah, and of course if count more than half, in such a case we say that leader will be candidate. Yeah, and we return candidate. Leader, but leader, and other case it will be -1 and we return -1. Yeah, let's try. I'm not sure, but let's try. Okay, -1, but suppose we have something like this, like this, and like this. In this case, six are our leader, because 1 2 3 4 5, yeah. And let's try. Syntax error. Where is syntax error? Sorry. Where is syntax? Yeah, 666. And it's Codility says that it will be even faster than our faster decision, because we don't need sort this one, because in this situation we sort, and because we have our best candidate, and yeah, it's not square. A time complexity is not square, but what square? Okay, but when we say about this moment, for me it's surprising. I have to I think I made to try one V solution. It's like Vera it's me, Vera Wolf solution. Yeah, create function solution, and what we have, I want to make like all this, but okay, after when we found our candidate in this moment, I don't sure we need to make this one. For example, we can to count this by other way. For example, we can find and find yeah, but for this we must do sort. But for the yeah, I think about if we sort this, and after this we found I want to print this, not with solution, but it's not faster, but yeah, now I understand why. I'm going to sort this one. I have half, and I have candidate. Let's look like this. Yeah, it's not will be faster, but it will be yeah, little bit faster, as I think that our faster solution than not faster than this, but maybe faster than this. Yeah. Yeah, for example, we have sorted our array, we have all this half, and because we understand what is our the best candidate. If he not leader, that means that anyone can be leader. And I make to make this find, but I can make find because it's not string but array. Yeah, okay. Index index candidates. Yeah, our start, and we have also our finish, and it will be we want to find value. I want to find candidate, but I want to start from -1 to 0. Okay. Oops, print, sorry. Print. What we can see, start will be start print finish. I'm not sure, but I must to try this. Finish. Finish. Error. Okay, finish. Index. And I think if I reverse all this, yeah, I don't know how to find last last indexes. Index found our first. Yeah. Okay, we can to make this and idea is to find our start and our finish, and after this to make this, yeah, like finish minus start, and it's if it's more than half, it's not only our candidate but also our leader. This is idea.